Summer, but parts of the U.S. are already experiencing the runny nose and sneezing start of that fall allergy season. Allergists say now is the time to try to get ahead of your symptoms so you can be prepared to prevent worse symptoms. The time to prep for allergy season, is about 2 to 4 weeks before the season starts.
Starting allergy treatments early, particularly steroid sprays in the nose. The spray helps actually prevent the allergic inflammation, and so that's why getting in early before you're exposed to the allergies is very helpful.
And according to the CDC, about 1/4 of adults and nearly 20% of children have a seasonal allergy in the U.S.